Payroll software versus HRIS platforms. Which one is better for automating employee payments? Most HRIS teams get this wrong by assuming that payroll automation is the same as full HRIS management. The surprising truth is that payroll software and HRIS platforms serve distinct functions, and choosing the right one can save your company time, reduce errors, and ensure compliance. Payroll software, like Gusto ADP or QuickBooks Payroll, is built specifically to calculate wages, withhold taxes, and issue payments accurately and on time. It simplifies recurring tasks like overtime calculations, deductions, and benefits administration. For example, a small business can process 50 employee paychecks in minutes, automatically depositing salaries and generating tax forms without manual intervention. Payroll software is perfect for teams focused primarily on fast, accurate payments. HRIS platforms, such as Workday, Bamboo, or SAP SuccessFactors, offer a broader human resources management suite, including payroll, but also benefits management, time tracking, performance reviews, and employee data analytics. For instance, a manager can oversee employee attendance, integrate benefits enrollment, and automate payroll calculations, all from one system. HRIS platforms are ideal for companies looking to centralize their operations beyond just payments. The key difference is focus versus integration. Payroll software is laser-focused on processing payments efficiently, while HRIS platforms provide a comprehensive ecosystem that includes payroll as one component. Many companies use payroll software for immediate accuracy, while scaling to HRIS platforms as they grow to consolidate their data and streamline processes. The takeaway is simple: if your main priority is automating employee payments with speed and reliability, payroll software is the better choice. If you want a unified platform that integrates payroll with broader functions, and HRIS is essential. The surprising truth is that using both strategic payroll software for immediate payroll needs and HRIS for long-term management offers the best of both worlds, reducing errors and improving efficiency across your workforce.